Hey guys, Steve Graff with the Construction Defect Videos. You ever heard of lateral bracing on trusses? You know what that is? I'm going to show you some lateral bracing that's installed correctly and some lateral bracing that's just bad stuff. Let's go. Let's check this out. All right, so here we are, frame stage of construction. What is lateral bracing? That's the question. So these trusses here, these roof trusses are manufactured at a plant, delivered to the job site. And these boards that connect them, do you see the boards that are at an angle there? Those are X braces. Those are all lateral braces. So the trusses, these horizontal boards, the angle boards, the trusses didn't come with those. So the manufacturer tells you where those boards are needed. So those boards are called lateral braces. So when the trusses are aligned and all of the web members are aligned, you can put a horizontal board that connects the trusses. And when they're misaligned, like this guy is not the same layout as this guy. So what they do is they scab a board onto it sideways to make what they call a T-brace, and they meet the manufacturer's rules. So let's see where we start with this. So a little truss 101 for building inspector. Here you have a truss, what they call a truss map, which is a layout of all the trusses. Here's your actual truss. There's an actual diagram for each truss. Every truss has a page. So there's rules about what they're sitting on, how they're supposed to be attached, all of those things. So if we're looking at truss A1, see how that says A1 right there? We have to find it on the map. Here it is, A1. And you span across and see it's right about there. You go to these trusses here, you look at the numbers that are on them. They write the numbers on them, but they're printed on it as well. So you see the A1 trusses are there. You see this one spans across the living area there. And then you go back to your truss drawing on this guy. On this truss engineering here, see these little squares of wood? They're showing where a lateral brace is required. So you see there's a lot of web members that require lateral bracing. So that's what the manufacturer provides for you. It tells you all about how to install the trusses. And as an inspector, you see you've gone through, marked each one. See lateral brace, checked, check, check, check. So the black check marks are just indicating that it's all been checked out. But let's go find truss A1 and let's confirm this middle vertical here has a lateral brace. Let's go look at that. So our A1 truss is this truss right here. You see the vertical member right there. If you look up closely at it, let's get away where you guys can see it there. See that board right there that's connected to it? There's your lateral brace. So it's that easy to confirm your lateral brace. A sample of a T-brace that I was talking about earlier, that board that's nailed on, the 2x4 that's nailed on to that web member like a T, that's a web member that required a lateral brace, that there was no truss directly next to it aligned to be able to install a lateral brace like that one right there. So that's what lateral bracing is. That's how you identify it in the truss engineering, and that's what we expect to see. It's all engineering. It's all to make the trusses work together as a system. And let's have a look at an attic space where this didn't go so well. Here's a new one. As long as I've been doing this, 30 some odd years, I don't think I've found lateral braces that are completely loose. Not just one, but all of them. The framer never finished the job. Never did the two 8Ds at each connection. It's like this all the way throughout the attic. And see that one down there where it's completely pulled away? Got the weight of the AC duct laying on it, and it's pulling it away. And how all these guys are just completely loose. So that earns its spot in the category of new finds. That's one of those. Man, oh man, that falls into the category of never know what you're going to find. I don't know if it was bring your son to work day or if it was late on a Friday, but we'll keep them coming. Just share, like, follow, subscribe. We appreciate you, and God bless you, and have a great day.